everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking for the ultimate way to boost your home's curb appeal and make a lasting first impression, then this video is for you. Today, we are diving deep into the world of front yard landscaping trees. These magnificent additions are the anchors of your outdoor design. But choosing the right one and knowing how to style it can be tricky. Stick around because I'm going to share the meaning, the incredible benefits, the best decoration ideas, and our top 10 best front yard landscaping tree ideas using the gorgeous photos you see on screen right now. Let's get growing. The term front yard landscaping tree refers to any tree intentionally chosen and strategically placed within the visible area of your front garden to enhance the aesthetic appeal, structural design, and overall atmosphere of your property. Unlike wild-growing trees, a landscaping tree is selected for specific desirable characteristics such as its mature size, canopy shape, seasonal interest like flowers or fall foliage, non-invasive root system, and maintenance needs. They serve as a primary focal point, often framing the house, providing a welcome entry, or acting as a specimen plant that showcases unique beauty. The key is intentionality. It's a deliberate design element, not just a random sapling. Choosing the right one is the crucial first step in creating a cohesive, stunning, and valuable landscape. The benefits of a thoughtfully chosen front yard tree extend far beyond simple aesthetics. One of the most significant advantages is the immediate boost to your home's curb appeal and property value. Studies consistently show that well-landscaped yards with mature trees can increase a home's market value by 10 to 15%, making it one of the best long-term investments you can make. Furthermore, trees provide essential energy savings by offering natural shade. A deciduous tree planted on the west or east side of your home can dramatically cool the interior during summer, lowering air conditioning costs. In winter, after the leaves fall, it allows warming sunlight to filter through. Beyond the financial and practical benefits, trees offer substantial environmental advantages. They act as natural air filters, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, while their roots help reduce water runoff and soil erosion, particularly during heavy rain. Finally, a front yard tree adds a powerful element of privacy and structure. They can help screen views from the street and define the boundaries of your property, transforming an open lawn into a more intimate, inviting, and thoughtfully designed outdoor living space. Decorating your front yard tree isn't about hanging ornaments. It's about integrating it seamlessly into your landscape design to maximize its natural beauty and seasonal interest. The most effective way to decorate a tree is to create a layered planting bed at its base. Start by establishing a well-defined border. Use stone, brick, or a clean low-profile edging to separate the bed from the lawn. Within this bed, plant shade-tolerant ground covers and perennials like hostas, ferns, or astilbe that thrive under the canopy. This not only adds color and texture, but also protects the tree's base and roots from lawnmower damage. For structural beauty, consider uplighting. Strategic landscape lighting placed at the base of the trunk, shining up into the canopy, can create a dramatic, breathtaking focal point at night. This technique highlights the tree's unique shape and branch structure. Seasonal decorating is another great idea. Think tasteful, warm white string lights for the winter holidays to showcase the bare branches, or adding colorful annuals around the base to complement summer foliage. Remember, the tree itself is the star. Your decoration should enhance, not distract from, its natural grace. The best tree for your front yard depends heavily on your USDA hardiness zone, the size of your yard, and your desired aesthetic. For smaller yards or as a beautiful focal point, ornamental trees are a top choice. The Japanese maple is beloved for its striking, year-round color and delicate leaf shapes. Flowering dogwoods and eastern redbuds offer spectacular spring blooms, followed by nice summer foliage and often great fall color. They are typically smaller and well-suited for planting closer to the house. If you need shade and have a larger yard, consider a shade tree like a red maple or a specialized, columnar oak variety. These trees grow tall and offer a generous canopy, providing excellent cooling and structure. Finally, for year-round interest and privacy, evergreen trees are perfect. Varieties like the Colorado blue spruce or a narrow arborvitae provide a consistent pop of color and architectural form, regardless of the season. Always choose a tree with a non-invasive root system suitable for your location to avoid issues with sidewalks and foundations down the line. Now, let's look at some stunning examples that perfectly illustrate these principles, starting with our top 10 front yard landscaping tree ideas. One classic flowering tree for grandeur. Our first idea features a magnificent classic flowering tree for grandeur. This scene showcases a mature tree, likely a cherry or crabapple, whose broad, dense canopy of pink blossoms beautifully frames the modest white home. Its placement creates a sense of scale and age, providing immense curb appeal during its spectacular spring flowering period, transforming a simple house into an enchanting cottage. 2. Tropical Palm Island. Next up is the concept of a tropical palm island. This features a grouping of various palms, creating a layered, lush focal point in a dedicated island bed lined with white decorative stone. This idea is perfect for warm climates, utilizing the varying heights and textures of the palms alongside colorful, low-growing bromeliads to establish a vibrant, resort-style entrance. 3. Structured circular focal point. For a modern, clean look, consider the structured circular focal point. Here, a small multi-trunk tree is anchored within a perfectly circular, mulched bed, contrasting sharply with the manicured green lawn. The precise, curved edging using brick pavers creates a strong, intentional line, highlighting the tree as a deliberate piece of architectural garden art. 4. Palm trees defining the entrance. This is another fantastic example of palm trees defining the entrance, showcasing two slender palms flanking the entryway of a light-colored home. The front bed is terraced with a small stone retaining wall and filled with colorful ground covers and red mulch, emphasizing the tropical verticality of the palms against the home's low-slung structure. 5. Bold tropical statement tree. In tropical zones, make a statement with the bold tropical statement tree. This features a single, robust palm near a walkway, dramatically underplanted with large, vibrant red and green foliage plants like cordyline or tea plant. The careful use of mulch and paving creates a visually stunning, low-maintenance, and eye-catching entrance. 6. Symmetrical palm planting. This illustrates a lush, resort-like feel with symmetrical palm planting. Two large palm specimens frame the home's entrance, complemented by low, tightly clipped hedges and brightly colored accent plantings. The perfect, bright green lawn ties the symmetrical landscaping together, enhancing the home's luxurious architectural details. 7. Evergreen and aspen contrast. For contemporary and mountain styles, look at the evergreen and aspen contrast. A towering structural evergreen, likely a pine or spruce, provides year-round strength and color, balanced by the bright green, delicate foliage of an aspen on the left. The trees frame a modern home, grounding its strong lines and providing a sense of privacy and natural ruggedness. 8. Brilliant fall color tree. To maximize seasonal impact, plant a brilliant fall color tree. This stunning red maple completely dominates the front yard in autumn. Its leaves a spectacular blaze of red and orange covering both the canopy and the ground. This single tree transforms the entire property into a seasonal masterpiece, providing unparalleled dramatic curb appeal during the cooler months. 9. White blooming ornamental tree. A great choice for smaller yards or a layered look is the white blooming ornamental tree, likely a white crepe myrtle. Planted near a traditional picket fence, its shrub-like, multi-stem structure offers lovely summer blooms and clean green foliage. Its scale is perfect for adding height and privacy without obscuring the charming house behind it. 10. Layered landscape with vertical trees. Finally, we have the sophisticated layered landscape with vertical trees. This design uses various young trees, including a slender, light-foliaged variety in the center and dense evergreens on the sides, to create height over tiered planting beds. The vertical elements draw the eye up, perfectly complementing the colorful mix of flowering shrubs and ground covers that fill the terraced levels. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making the most of your front yard landscaping tree. From understanding their powerful role as design anchors to selecting the perfect variety for multi-season appeal, a single well-placed tree can fundamentally transform your home's exterior. These 10 ideas show that whether you're looking for a burst of color, a comforting shade provider, or a year-round architectural element, there's a perfect tree waiting to elevate your garden design. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these top 10 trees is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me if you have one of these beauties in your own front yard. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips on making your outdoor spaces truly beautiful. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll be diving into foundation plantings. Thanks for watching and happy planting!